Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export your browsing history from Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, you'll want to navigate to Google Takeout, which is Google's official data export tool. In the address bar at the top, type takeout.google.com and press enter. This will take you to the page where you can download all your Google data, including your Chrome browsing history. When the Google Takeout page loads, you'll see a list of all the different Google services you use. By default, everything is selected, but since we only want your Chrome history, look for the button near the top that says Deselect All and click on it. This will uncheck everything, giving you a clean slate to work with. Now, scroll down through the list of services until you find Chrome. Once you spot it, check the checkbox beside it. This tells Google Takeout that you want to include your Chrome data in the export. However, we don't need all of your Chrome data, so click on the option that says All Chrome Data Included. This will open a pop-up window where you can customize exactly what you want to export. In the pop-up window, you'll see several Chrome data options like autofill, bookmarks, and history. Click Deselect All to uncheck everything. Then check only the checkbox next to history. This ensures you're only exporting your browsing history and nothing else. Once you've done that, click OK to confirm your selection and close the pop-up. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the button that says Next Step. This takes you to the delivery method and file settings page, where you'll configure how you want to receive your data. You'll see a drop-down menu that currently shows a delivery method. Click on it and select Send Download Link via email. This is the most convenient option since Google will email you a link to download your history once it's ready. Now, look at the frequency section. Here, you can choose how often you want to export your data. For a one-time export of your history, select Export Once from the options. Next, click the drop-down menu under File Type and choose a format that works for you. The most common option is .zip, which compresses your data into a single file that's easy to download and extract. After that, click the drop-down menu under File Size. This setting determines how large each file will be if your export is split into multiple parts. A good standard size is 2 GB, which keeps files manageable without splitting them too much. Select that option from the list. Finally, click the Create Export button at the bottom of the page. Google will now begin processing your request and preparing your Chrome history for download. This might take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours depending on how much browsing history you have. Once it's ready, Google will send you an email with a download link, and you can access your exported history from there. And that's it. You've successfully set up an export of your Chrome browsing history. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.